Welcome to Fencing 101, this is Trevor, and today we're going to be showing you how to install the RailTight end brackets. The RailTight end brackets are designed to make post and rail fencing a breeze. They'll save you any on-site fabrication. We have one for a round post, one for a flat, and they're designed to be flexible enough to work in any post and rail situation. The first step to installing your post and rail fence is to install your posts. Make sure they're straight and level. These brackets will suit round posts from 80 MB through to 150 MB. They can also be used on timber. Simply swap out the screws provided to timber tech screws. The next step is to measure down from the top of your post to where you'd like your rails. The next step is to install your first rail bracket. Use the tech screws provided if you're using steel. When installing the brackets, if you need to have your rail on a downward slope, put the cutout at the top. If it needs to go on an upward slope, put the cutout on the bottom. The next step is to install your rail. Slide it onto the bracket you've already installed. Place the second bracket into the end. Slide it up into place. If you're fencing on level ground, check that your rail is level before screwing off the second bracket. Now screw in the second bracket. Simply repeat this process again to install the rest of your rails.
And that's how easy it is to install our RailTight end brackets.
Farm fences sorted at Rotech Rural.